안녕하세요. Good evening, everyone. First and foremost, thank you, Lord. I'm truly honored to be here tonight to receive this award. Thank you so much, Seoul International Drama Awards, for this recognition. I want to thank my Incognito and Star Creatives family, Ms. Desty Guzman, our directors Lester Pimentel, Wang Yanbin, and Ian Loreños. I also want to thank my co-stars, Ian Veneracion, Richard Gutierrez, Baron Geisler, Anthony Jennings, Maris Racal, and Kyla Estrada. Our stunt team for Action 360, our tactical instructors, Benjo Ramos and Patch Caballero, my Star Magic family, and Home Network, ABS-CBN. I also want to thank my friends and my family for their